Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to unblock someone on Facebook. So it's pretty easy to do. You have to go to your Facebook application. So let's head over there. And once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And once you're there, tap on the three lines icon on the top right. Here, there are two things you can follow. The first one is you have to go to settings and privacy, go to settings. And in here, you have to search for the blocking option right here. And you will find the contacts that you have blocked. And then there's another way you can find that. You have to go to your profile, tap the three dots icon just beside edit profile. And in here, you will find the blocked contacts from the activity log or privacy center. So I'm going for the first method. I'm going for settings and privacy, and in here go to settings and go to the search icon on the top right and go to blocking. And in here, as you can see, I have blocked two person, and if I want to unblock them, just what I need to do is there is a unblock button just right beside their name. I have to tap on it. And here goes the layout of unblock that person. If you unblock that person, he or she may be able to see your timeline or contact you, depending on your settings. Tags that you and that person previously added to each other may be restored, and you will have to wait for the 8 hours if you want to block that person again. So the last one is important. So note that if you unblock someone on your Facebook, you have to wait another 48 hours before unblocking them. So yeah, tap on unblock and the person is no more in the block list. It means you have unblocked the person. So yeah, this is how you can just unblock any person on Facebook. Hope this hack will help you out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.